Welcome to IWF 2022, North America's most comprehensive woodworking technology and design trade show and conference is a top global woodworking sector destination. Rev-A-Shelf and Tresco Lighting are excited to have a booth that boasts 17 unique displays to highlight the versatility and accessibility of our vast array of products designed to organize and light any room in the home. This year we've added a new display outfitted with several base cabinet favorites and illuminated by Tresco's lighting. Starting from the left is the Glideware by Rev-A-Shelf pullouts, followed by our Compo Plus series with a unique clamping design that keeps odors within the can and out of your home. To the right, our 53TM steel top mount waste container is available in a sleek Orion gray finish. Next, you have our pull-out cutting board with a removable board, funnel insert, and stopper installed above a Rev-A-Shelf waste container to create an easy-to-clean prep station. Finally, we have our ML Series mixer lift with included walnut shelf at the end. We love to show off what we're made of. In our transparent kitchen, this fan favorite has been updated with a mix of beautiful gray, maple, and walnut products to show our breadth of finishes available. Starting to our far left, we have our $4.99 blind corner optimizer, followed by our tip-out tray, and 5386 U-shape under sink pullouts designed to fit around troublesome plumbing fixtures. To the right, we have our 5322 GR and our 5322 KB Fog with flex rod technology in stunning Orion gray. Next, we have a sneak peek of our new patent-pending Tray and Spice sidekicks. They slide independently and install to our popular 448 pullouts. Continuing, we come to another new product, our patent-pending 448 SW swivel pullout, which features unique swivel shelves and an extension lock. To the right, you will find our 4PUT Pilaster utensil pullout, designed for use with our Pilaster system rails and comes with up to 5 stainless bins and a wire basket. A glance up, we have an array of wall products that include our 5365 Fog Spice Rack, LD Natural 20-inch Susan with a tall rim, 448 wall pullouts, and 5 PD Fog with flat wire construction. Below, in the base corner cabinet, is our solid bottom Kidney Susans shown here in gray with stylish round wire and Orion gray with modern flat wire. That brings us to our new USB charging drawer with 4 USB-A ports, a USB-C port adapter, and an integrated cord guide. Below is our popular wood cookware organizer for pots and lids. Moving on, we've added a quaint coffee nook, accessorized by our 4 WUT shallow combo inserts for storing cutlery and utensils, followed by our new 4 PDI wood plate divider inserts that keeps dishes organized and within easy reach. At the bottom, our deep tiered drawer is available in 2 sizes. Above, you will find our 5708, ideal for above a refrigerator. And we conclude this fantastic display with one of our popular 448 TP Pantry with a new full extension 275-pound soft close slide. Explore all the forms and finishes we offer to help you reclaim your cabinet space in your blind corner island. As you can see, Rev-A-Shelf features a wide range of optimizers that pull or pivot out of the blind corner cabinet, enabling you to access the items stored within. Next is a vibrant vanity featuring Mauser custom cabinets, a Silestone countertop, and a Kohler sink and faucet. Equipped with several sink cabinet accessories that include our 5cc series 2-in-1 mini cleaning caddy, 486 series maple U-shaped vanity organizer designed for complete accessibility to your under-sink vanity while conveniently fitting around plumbing, tip-out trays, And the cabinets are illuminated by Tresco Infinex extrusions with flex tape. Our second vanity features cabinets by W.W. Wood. It is topped with a Lab Designs countertop and a beautiful Kohler sink and faucet. In addition to our vanity drawers, you will find our wire RUKD series waste pull-out universal frame configuration and 32-quart can, additional under-sink door storage with our 4SH series scale holder, and new 5SOWC wire door mount waste container with a convenient towel holder. Also found inside the sink base is our coming soon SBVF DT series flexible vanity drip tray. Small, but still packing a big organizational bang, is our walk-in pantry with an array of accessories to keep your cabinets fresh and tidy. We have you covered from wall to base, starting with our 3100 series stemware racks and GLD series glideware pullout with hooks for holding pots and pans of all sizes. Next, our Max drawer features unique lift up and out tiers to create and customize compartments with ease. Below is our new 4CDS series casserole dish organizer with adjustable dividers and bloom slides with soft close. Installed in the 32mm panel system are our 596 U-shaped tray dividers, followed by our sidelines by Revishell pullouts for storing spices, canned goods, and wine. The 5WCOR series pantry system container organizers come with varying sized airtight BPA-free acrylic containers. Last but not least is the workhorse of any pantry. Our CBSL series chrome pull-out baskets are perfect for linens, boxes, dishes, and so much more. Bringing back a favorite from past shows, we find ourselves in our unique pull-out display featuring our extensive line of face frame and full access pullouts. Starting, we have the 448 UT series pullout with a patent-pending sidekick for storing baking trays and foil. Continuing, we have the 448 PTH, designed to make cleanups a breeze. Next, we have our patent-pending 448 swivel shelf pullouts, followed by two 448 KB series pullouts with flex rod technology and a utensil bin to keep items in the cabinets and off your counter. Attached is another one of our patent-pending sidekicks. Let's now look at our drawer accessory corner, featuring some of our most exciting products illuminated by Tresco LE and Flex Tape LED lighting. To start, we have our tiered combination drawers. The days of mixing and matching organizers for large drawers are over. These all-in-one drawers feature a movable upper cutlery tray that conceals a built-in knife organizer. Adjacent compartments provide ample storage space for large utensils and foil rolls. Next, we have our K-Cup coffee station, which features our K-Cup organizers and inserts. These solid wood organizers neatly hold your K-Cup pods and condiments. Here we have the 2-tier K-Cup organizer and the 24-inch inserts. Beside that, we have our customizable pilaster drawer system on display with the new 4PUT utensil drawer for storing a wide range of utensils and more. The tall shelves have a pegboard bottom, metal dividers, and pegs. Our final Rev-A-Shelf display is our closet filled with our sidelines by Revishell accessories and backlit using Tresco etch panels. A fully custom closet is now within reach, with a complete selection of hooks, closet rods, various racks, hamper products, ironing boards, and mirrors. Since every closet space is different, many products can be swiveled several degrees. Our next display features our new closet system, Chaos. Chaos is a unique organizer with beautiful and modern frames designed to house several interchangeable accessories, from pant racks to hampers and more. With so many innovative releases coming from Tresco Lighting, we expanded, bringing you new displays that highlight the Tresco technology product line. So let's begin with our new paper-thin LED panel light, Snip, which can be seen here lighting a section of our reception counter. It has the flexibility to conform to curved surfaces. To demonstrate connecting and controlling our products, we have our famous plug-and-play display. The display allows guests to experience the varying product features and overall ease of the installation process. In 2021, Tresco partnered with Swidget to offer a modular smart home solution that allows you to customize and upgrade your space with a simple swap. Achieve consistent, seamless illumination from start to finish with NeoLoop flexible silicone LED lighting. You can see how Luniform technology provides a continuous beam of light without dark spots. Next, we come to our award-winning LED panel program. Etch, our built-to-order edge-lit LED panel, is ideal for backlighting designs across a broad spectrum of projects. We move to our backlit surfaces display. This unique display allows you to pull the snap panel up from behind the surface to reveal the color and brightness of the panels, as well as the depth at which it was installed in relation to the surface in front of it. This has been a tour of the Rev-A-Shelf exhibit at IWF 2022 in Atlanta, Georgia. Thank you for taking this virtual tour. Be sure to visit us online at revashelf.com or call us at 800-626-1126 for more information on these or any of our extensive product lines.